So this is the first video where I will be using a voiceover. So this is a package I got from Amazon. I wanted a clicky keyboard. This is more cracky, not creamy. Pause. But I saw somebody say that in a video, so I guess that's the terms used. This is a clacky keyboard in my opinion. So this is supposed to be an arm rest, a wrist rest. I noticed that this piece, I don't know what that is, probably to take those off, which is the keys. It was two keys that weren't attached. So I'm like, not overreacting, I'm just trying to figure it out before I start snapping. But, yep. I'm gonna stop talking for now and then y'all can check it out.
What is your package? What is it? Oh, there it is. Wait, I want to push one of the buttons. Oh, I feel good. Oh, wait a minute. You get scammed? Daddy, did you get scammed? What are these? Where are these?
I don't know. We're gonna figure it out.
Oh, they're right here. They fell off, but they was getting back. Oh, let me fix some. Wait.
Okay.
I got it. There we go. Oh. My hands are too little. There we go. Now I'm just gonna put this. There we go. Oh, it feels good. Ooh, what is this?